That certain night, the night we met, there was magic running in the air. There were angels dying at the race, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, but I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moonbeam, he was frowned. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole damn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair, and as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came up, all stealing on a blue to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? Our homeward step was just as light as the tap dancing feet of a stair, and like an echo far away, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.